AI is blurring the lines between human creativity and machine-generated content. It's writing ads, generating images and videos, and even predicting what consumers want before they do. But do consumers want more of it? And what does it mean for the creative industries and those who work in them? And how far can it go? Coca-Cola's 2024 AI-generated Christmas ad faced widespread criticism due to its uncanny and distorted imagery, highlighting the current limitations of AI video creation. However, the outcry extended beyond mere technical critique. The ads, generated using various AI models, ventured into culturally sensitive territory, a realm steeped in personal sentiment. This intrusion raised deeper questions about AI's ability to replicate human creativity, particularly in areas of emotional significance. While high-profile AI-generated ads like Coca-Cola's sparked debate, AI is already playing a much quieter yet significant role in the advertising industry, often without consumers even realizing it. A 2024 survey by IAB reveals that more than 60% of advertising industry leaders report their companies are currently utilizing AI for ad creation. In March this year, the Italian newspaper Il Foglio released the world's first AI-generated issue, where chatbots produce content from journalist prompts. This experiment, while showcasing AI's potential in newsrooms, highlights a persistent need for accuracy and originality in AI-generated text. As news organizations consider AI for cost efficiency, questions remain regarding its reliance on existing data and the impact on journalistic originality and source verification. If AI is already this prevalent in the advertising and media industries, it's clear we're stepping into a new age of creativity, one that's defined by human-AI collaboration. Hello, I'm Timothy Owens, Statista's Senior Lead Researcher for Technology and Telecommunications, and welcome to today's Data on Stage, AI and the New Age of Creativity. To start, I'd like to give you a snapshot of the current AI landscape. Then we'll delve into three major AI trends, exploring how they're being used in media, marketing, and advertising. To conclude, I'll share some essential takeaways for professionals navigating this evolving field and share my perspective on the future we are building. So get comfortable and join me for the next 30 minutes as we dive into this fascinating topic. Global labor markets are undergoing rapid transformation due to technological advancements, the green transition, macroeconomic shifts, demographic changes, and most notably, expanding digital access. Employers expect AI and information processing technologies to have the most significant business impact by 2030, followed by robotics and autonomous systems. Notably, 86% of employers anticipate AI will reshape their industry, underscoring its pivotal role in the future of work. The AI market is on track for exponential growth, projected to rise from $244 billion in 2025 to $827 billion by 2030. Following a 35% surge in 2024, growth is expected to continue at 32% in 2025. 2024 was a landmark year for AI, with venture funding surpassing $100 billion for the first time. This record investment, fueled by growing support for AI infrastructure, exceeded the previous 2021 peak, which was driven by pandemic-related digitalization. The generative AI market has expanded rapidly, with an expected 75% growth this year alone, reaching nearly $63 billion. By 2030, this segment is projected to account for 43% of the total AI market, reaching a value of $356 billion. As AI adoption accelerates, businesses are integrating AI tools at an unprecedented rate. The number of global AI tool users is expected to rise from 314 million in 2024 to 378 million this year, a 20% increase, and nearly double to 730 million by 2030. Now, despite generative AI's rapid evolution, many organizations are adopting it cautiously due to structural and regulatory constraints. Key challenges include scalability barriers, rising risk concerns, and moderate trust levels. However, Advances in AI model customization and governance are driving better adoption. McKinsey research highlights a sharp rise in generative AI adoption in 2024. By mid-year, 71% of organizations reported using AI in at least one business function, up from 65% earlier this year. The leading applications are marketing and sales, 42%, product and service development, 28%, IT, 23%, and service operations at 22%. While text generation remains dominant, image generation and code creation are gaining traction, with over 1/3 of organizations using AI for images and 1/4 for coding, alongside emerging industry-specific adoption trends. Now, to assess the capabilities of today's AI language models, we can refer to the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, which evaluates reasoning, knowledge, math, and coding. As of March 2025, Grok 3 Reasoning Beta ranks first, followed by OpenAI's O1, DeepSeek R1, and Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Models like ChatGPT 4.5 and Gemini 2.0 also perform strongly. With AI models achieving new milestones in reasoning and cognition, the focus is now shifting towards systems that not only understand information, but also take meaningful actions. This brings us to our first major trend, AI agents and agentic AI. At CES this year, NVIDIA's Jensen Huang highlighted the rapid evolution of AI over the past decade. We've moved from perception AI, which interprets words, images, and sounds, to generative AI, which creates them. Now we're entering the era of agentic AI, systems that perceive, reason, plan, and act. Looking ahead, physical AI, focused on simulating real-world physics for robotics and autonomous vehicles, is the next frontier. Now, these agentic AI systems enable LLMs and other foundation models to perform complex multi-step tasks. In the last 2 years, research interest in agentic systems has surged, with more than 1,500 papers published in 2024 alone, alongside significant developmental progress. Moreover, agentic AI is a leading focus within the rapidly evolving field of generative AI. A 2024 Deloitte survey highlights this, with 52% of respondents citing agentic AI as a key focus area, followed by multi-agent systems. So, what exactly are they? Well, imagine software that doesn't just respond to commands, but thinks and acts on its own to solve problems. That's the core idea behind AI agents. Think of them as digital assistants with greater independence. They're designed to tackle complex tasks with minimal human help. They plan, decide, and execute actions to reach specific goals. Imagine an AI agent autonomously analyzing real-time social media trends, dynamically adjusting ad campaigns to maximize engagement, and generating personalized content for different customer segments, all without constant human intervention. Or picture an AI agent curating news feeds based on user preferences, summarizing lengthy articles, and generating video highlights for breaking news events, streamlining content delivery, and enhancing user experience. Now, let's take it a step further with agentic AI. This is where things get interesting. So agentic AI enables these agents to do even more. They can understand text, images, sounds, and other forms of data. They can use various tools, collaborate with other AI agents, and even learn from past experiences to improve over time. Think of it as giving AI agents the ability to orchestrate complex projects, much like a project manager organizing a team. This could supercharge generative AI, allowing it to handle far more complex tasks autonomously. For advertising agencies, these agents could manage entire marketing campaigns, creating, testing, and adjusting creative materials automatically to maximize audience engagement. Consider an AI agent negotiating ad placements across multiple platforms, optimizing bidding strategies in real time, and generating creative variations of ad copy and visuals to improve ROI. But what does this mean for the broader business world? The enterprise software market is poised for a significant shift and is expected to grow by 14% this year, surpassing $1.4 trillion, driven by global buyers increasing focus on AI and IT security. While the AI market at large is expanding rapidly, the true catalyst for transformation is software capable of autonomous operation through agentic AI. That is, AI that can act independently. Right now, agentic AI is only beginning to appear in enterprise software. Most AI applications still require user prompts to function, but that's about to change. With its ability to think and act independently, agentic AI isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. It has the potential to revolutionize software, disrupt business processes, and redefine IT operations. In 2024, less than 1% of enterprise software applications included agentic AI. By 2028, that number is expected to rise dramatically, with nearly a third of enterprise software applications integrating agentic AI, bringing a new level of autonomy. The agentic AI market, valued at $5.1 billion in 2024, is projected to grow significantly. Capgemini's analysis forecasts a market value exceeding $47 billion by 2030, reflecting a compound annual growth rate of over 44%. This growth highlights the transformative potential of agentic AI to drive autonomous decision-making across various industries. In the long term, businesses expect to automate workflows across their organization and integrate third-party systems within 4 years or more. 37% of executives anticipate that by 2031, AI agents will replace websites and apps as the primary user interface, with 39% expecting this shift by 2036. In advertising, AI agents could replace traditional websites and apps by delivering personalized, AI-driven content directly to users via conversational interfaces, transforming how ads are consumed. Agentic AI represents the next evolution of generative AI, positioning businesses for a future where AI is core to their operations. However, challenges like reliability, bias, security, and ethical decision-making must be addressed. While agentic AI is still in its early stages, it's advancing rapidly, making it important for businesses to begin exploring its potential through low-risk projects while maintaining human oversight. As confidence grows, businesses can adopt more advanced applications, leveraging their unique data and increasing AI autonomy thoughtfully and strategically. Now, let's discuss the next big trend in AI this year: deep research AI tools. The ability to quickly and effectively sift through vast amounts of information is more critical than ever. These tools are emerging as powerful allies, helping us extract meaningful insights in record speeds. Deep research AI tools are like digital detectives that go far beyond basic search engines. They dig through mountains of information, including research papers, databases, and live web data. Rather than just providing links, they break down complex queries, analyze data, and synthesize everything into concise reports with summaries, citations, and visuals. For media professionals, this means instantly analyzing news sentiment across thousands of sources, spotting trends, and gaining deeper context on breaking stories. A journalist covering an emerging social movement, for example, could use AI to pull historical context, public sentiment shifts, and key thought leader perspectives all in minutes. In marketing, brands can leverage deep research tools to analyze competitor campaigns, track evolving consumer behaviors, and refine their messaging. Imagine launching a new product. AI can quickly analyze past market responses, social media discussions, and engagement trends to optimize campaign strategies. For creatives, whether in advertising, film, or design, AI can synthesize cultural trends, emerging aesthetics, and audience preferences to inform everything from ad copy to visual branding. A creative director planning a global brand campaign can use AI to compare regional design trends, ensuring content resonates across different markets. Now, these tools use sophisticated algorithms to tackle complex questions step by step, refining their search as they learn. They pull real-time data from a vast range of sources, delivering relevant, up-to-date information. And what's behind these deep research tools? AI agents. These virtual research assistants automate workflows, browsing the web, retrieving data, and analyzing it in depth. They're like the hands and fingers to the AI brain, enabling them to perform complex tasks like generating reports and extracting key insights from massive data sets. Before we dive in though, a quick note of caution. While these tools are incredibly valuable, it's essential to remember that they're just that, tools. They can reliably enhance our research capabilities, but they also come with certain risks. We must be mindful of potential inaccuracies, hallucinations, biases, and the importance of critical evaluation. Always verify information using multiple sources and avoid relying solely on AI-generated results for crucial decisions. We'll now take a look at 3 prominent players in the AI deep research arena: ChatGPT Deep Research, Gemini Deep Research, and Perplexity Deep Research. First up is ChatGPT Deep Research, OpenAI's advanced research model, which launched in February 2025. This feature transforms ChatGPT into an autonomous research agent. When given a complex query, it spends 5 to 30 minutes browsing the web, analyzing sources, and synthesizing information. The output is a structured report with citations designed to ensure traceability and credibility. However, access is currently limited and comes at a premium price. For brand strategists, it could, for example, perform deep audience sentiment analysis, revealing shifting brand perceptions and untapped consumer pain points. Next, we have Gemini Deep Research, integrated into Google's AI assistant, which launched in December 2024. Leveraging Google's search capabilities, this tool creates a multi-step research plan, iteratively searching the web to gather a diverse range of information. Gemini Deep Research stands out for its ability to tap into Google's vast web index, offering strong usability, particularly for those familiar with Google's ecosystem. Its integration with Google Docs, for example, is a significant advantage. For marketers, for example, this tool can help map evolving search trends, helping brands anticipate rising keywords and consumer concerns before they peak. A digital marketing team can refine their SEO and paid ad strategies in real time based on AI-driven insights. Finally, let's explore Perplexity Deep Research, launched in February 2025. It acts as an autonomous research assistant, rapidly conducting searches, reviewing diverse sources, and synthesizing information into comprehensive reports. Perplexity Deep Research is notable for its speed and accessibility, offering a free tier for basic use. For ad agencies, this tool can rapidly analyze successful past campaigns and extract key insights in what drives engagement, whether it's emotional storytelling, humor, or interactive formats. To summarize, each tool has its strengths. ChatGPT Deep Research for depth and reasoning, Gemini Deep Research for breadth and usability within the Google ecosystem, and Perplexity Deep Research for speed and accessibility. As we've seen, AI deep research tools are revolutionizing the way we conduct research. They offer tremendous potential to enhance our understanding of complex topics and accelerate the pace of discovery. However, it's crucial to approach these tools with a balanced perspective. While they are powerful aids, they are not infallible. They can struggle with accuracy and source reliability and are prone to errors such as fabricating sources, misinterpreting data, or citing incorrect facts, making verification essential. Furthermore, they can generate hallucinations, producing seemingly coherent but entirely fabricated information, which necessitates careful cross-referencing and critical evaluation. This highlights a key limitation. LLMs excel at processing vague queries, but often fall short when it comes to precise, deterministic data retrieval. This makes them unreliable for tasks requiring exactness. While AI tools can significantly speed up research for experts who can identify and correct errors, the long-term challenge is whether these models could ever achieve complete reliability, or if they will always require human oversight. In this new era, we must remain critical thinkers, verifying information and recognizing the potential for errors and biases. The future of research will likely involve a collaborative approach where human expertise enhances AI's capabilities. Statista's own Research AI is an example of what this future could look like. Statista's Research AI empowers users to make data-driven, fact-based decisions with ease. Sounds familiar, but the key difference here is it combines human-curated, high-quality data with intuitive AI technology. Designed for simplicity, it allows users to quickly find valuable insights regardless of their language or expertise. Research AI distinguishes itself by combining efficiency with reliability. It delivers accurate Statista expert verified data, ensuring high-quality support for decision-making. Unlike generic tools, Research AI crafts customized narratives to meet user-specific needs, effectively blending artificial and human intelligence for deeper insights. With access to a vast repository of statistics, reports, and infographics, it provides comprehensive, personalized responses that empower informed choices. Furthermore, while typical deep research tools are limited by paywall data, Statista's Research AI leverages our company's full human-certified dataset, making it particularly powerful. As we've seen, AI is revolutionizing research, giving media, marketing, and creative professionals the power to uncover insights faster than ever before. But AI isn't just transforming how we find information, it's also reshaping how we create. From AI-generated ad campaigns to personalized content at scale, artificial creativity is redefining the boundaries of storytelling, design, and brand engagement. Let's explore how AI is driving innovation in the creative industries and what this means for the future of human creativity. Now, generative AI is revolutionizing advertising and marketing. Some brands are embracing AI fully to automate processes, while others, like Dove, are taking a much more cautious approach by setting ethical guidelines before implementation. Major ad agencies are partnering with tech giants to develop AI-driven platforms, streamlining content creation and even transforming virtual influencers. However, this raises concerns about authenticity and transparency. While younger generations are generally more accepting of AI in media, consumer trust is highest when brands disclose their use of AI, making transparency a key factor in shaping its future in advertising. In terms of generative AI adoption, by the end of 2023, 73% of professionals in marketing, sales, and customer service roles reported having very high expertise in AI. This was the highest percentage across all professions. A 2023 survey revealed that 39% of marketers worldwide are using generative AI for data analysis, 35% for market research, 26% for copywriting, and 16% for image generation. In 2024, major ad agencies are increasingly adopting generative AI for advertising. For instance, WPP partnered with Google to use its Gemini AI, combining it with proprietary data to create ads for major brands like L'Oreal and Nestlé. Omnicom, IPG, and Dentsu are also integrating AI tools with Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Adobe Gen Studio to develop their own AI-powered marketing solutions. WPP's collaboration with NVIDIA led to the launch of Production Studio, an AI-driven tool designed to create ads more efficiently, while Publicis Group introduced Core AI to transform its workflow using a mixture of proprietary and external data. Over 90% of ad agencies in the US are either currently using generative AI or exploring potential use cases for the technology. As a result, generative AI has moved into beyond the theoretical and is now practically shaping how agencies operate and move forward. A major reason companies are implementing AI-based tools is to improve cost efficiencies. In May 2024, Swedish fintech company Klarna revealed that it was saving $10 million annually in marketing costs by using AI tools for tasks like ideation, image generation, and translation across 45 markets. The company also reduced spending on external providers and saw AI-driven customer service improvements. Klarna's assistants now handle 2/3 of customer chats, boosting profits by $40 million in 2024. Encouraged by these results, Klarna announced plans to replace half of its marketing and customer service workforce with technology, impacting around 1,800 employees. A 2024 survey of US advertising agency leaders found that a significant majority, 76%, anticipate that generative AI will fundamentally reshape content creation within their agencies. The survey also highlighted that more than 70% of these decision makers expect generative AI to dramatically alter both the agency marketplace and how consumers interact with agency work. Agencies foresee substantial changes in the specific content they produce for clients, signaling a broad transformation across the entire advertising ecosystem. But what about customer perceptions of AI-supported creativity in advertisements and marketing materials? A survey of internet users in 2024 revealed key concerns about generative AI, including risks to legal and intellectual property rights, privacy issues with data being shared publicly or with competitors, and the possibility of inaccurate information being generated. In 2023, generative AI was seen as an exciting novelty, with more consumers supporting its use in advertising than opposing it. Initially, Gen Z and millennials were most attracted to AI-generated images on social media, though only a small portion found them extremely appealing. In a 2024 survey, millennials continued to strongly support AI use by brands, with 73% backing AI in ads and content, maintaining the same level of support as the previous year. Approval of AI in advertising creation grew among Gen Z, rising from 59% in 2023 to 63% in 2024. However, Gen Xers and baby boomers showed less enthusiasm for the technology. Despite growing familiarity with generative AI use, consumers continue to demand transparency, especially in marketing. A global study across 16 countries, including the US, found that more than half of the participants expected advertisers to disclose their use of AI in areas like ad placement, product image editing, copywriting, and virtual brand ambassadors. In summary, AI-driven advertising is already an essential part of marketers' daily operations, with many using it for data analysis, content creation, and social media copywriting. While cost reduction is a secondary motivator, the primary reason for AI adoption in advertising is improving operational efficiency, though marketers remain cautious about its accuracy. Major agencies like WPP, Publicis, and IPG are investing heavily in AI, anticipating its transformative impact on content creation, market dynamics, and consumer interaction with ads. This ushers in a new age of creativity, with consumers preferring personalized ads on social media and younger adults more supportive of AI's role in media. So, what are some key takeaways for professionals in these sectors? How are you supposed to surf the current and coming changes? Do we need to change jobs, upskill, reskill, learn to speak robot, become a prompt engineer? Indeed, the job landscape is transforming, with the top 3 fastest growing jobs between 2025 and 2030 being big data specialists, fintech engineers, and AI and machine learning specialists, and the top 3 fastest declining jobs being postal service clerks, bank tellers, and data entry clerks. According to the World Economic Forum's 2025 Future of Jobs report, employers expect tech skills to see the most significant growth in importance over the next 5 years. Specifically, AI and big data are projected to be the fastest growing skills, with networks and cybersecurity and technological literacy also showing substantial increases. Now, beyond technical skills, several competencies are gaining prominence. Creative thinking, resilience, flexibility, agility, curiosity, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Furthermore, leadership and social influence, talent management, and analytical thinking are among the top 10 rising skills, highlighting the need for professionals who can lead teams and manage talent effectively in an increasingly interconnected world. While generative AI holds immense promise, its future is far from certain. Will it unlock transformative innovation or simply optimize current practices? Issues like bias, misinformation, and AI-generated pollution, which occurs when AI uses incorrect information generated by other AIs, makes predicting the future challenging. As generative AI increasingly shapes artificial creativity, organizations must strengthen and reflect on who they are, what they represent, and what value they're offering. This strategic approach will enable leaders to make sound decisions, identify potential pitfalls, and leverage emerging opportunities. Many creative professionals have expressed concerns around job displacement, prompting the question, is this technology truly a tool or a threat to human artists? The mixed reception of several AI-generated ads raises another important question. Could AI ever truly capture the magic and emotional resonance of human-crafted art? In conclusion, the rise of AI is undeniable, and its integration is no longer a choice, but a necessity for industries to thrive. However, it's essential to leverage AI's creativity in tandem with human expertise in strategy, empathy, and critical thinking. Remember, AI is our creative collaborator, not our replacement. I'd like to close with a quote from Marcin Wunkiewicz, CEO of Mimo, an AI-driven content creation and synthetic media production company that created some of the world's first AI-generated advertisements. He said, narratives still emerge that AI is the end of creativity and that people will lose control and that everything is heading towards collapse. This defeatist view completely ignores the fact that AI doesn't operate in a vacuum. It's only as good as the strategy we set for it and the data we provide. AI doesn't replace people. AI is the right hand of marketing. It accelerates analysis, automates repetitive tasks, and allows us to focus on what's most important, the idea and the strategy. Thank you so much for joining me today. For those of you attending the webinar live, we will be opening the floor to questions shortly, so don't go anywhere. If you're watching a recorded version of this webinar via our platform or social media, thank you for watching. For more expert-led insights across industries, make sure that you sign up for future webinars so that you can have access to the data discussed in this webinar and be part of the live Q&A sessions.